Improving your English reading and writing skills require regular practice and targeted strategies. Here are some effective methods to enhance these skills. 1. Develop a reading habit. Read regularly. Read English materials daily, such as books, newspapers, magazines, or online articles. Diverse materials. Expose yourself to different genres and style, including fiction, non-fiction, essays, and poetry, to broaden your vocabulary and understanding of various writing styles. Active reading. Engage with the text by highlighting key points, taking notes, and asking questions while reading. 2. Expand your vocabulary. Vocabulary lists. Keep a journal of new words you encounter while reading. Note down their meanings, synonyms, antonyms, and example sentences. Use in context. Practice using new words in your writing and speaking and reinforce your understanding and retention. 3. Practice writing regularly. Journaling. Write a daily journal in English to practice expressing your thoughts clearly and coherently. Essay writing. Write essays on various topics to practice structuring your ideas and argument effectively. Creative writing. Experiment with creative writing such as short stories or poems to explore different writing styles and expand your use of language. 4. Read aloud. Improve comprehension. Reading aloud helps improve your understanding of sentence structure, punctuation, and rhythm. Enhances pronunciation. It also aids in better pronunciation and intonation, which can improve your overall communication skills. 5. Analyze and imitate. Analyze good writing. Read high quality writing and analyze how authors structure their sentences. Use vocabulary and develop arguments. Imitate style. Try imitating the writing style of your favorite authors to develop your own style. 6. Focus on grammar and sentence structure. Grammar exercise. Regularly practice grammar exercises to strengthen your understanding of English. Sentence variation. Experiment with different sentence structures in your writing to improve your fluency and style. Proofreading. Always proofread your writing to check for grammatical errors and ensure clarity. 7. Join reading and writing groups. Book clubs. Join book club where you can discuss what you have read and gain new perspectives on the material. Writing workshops. Participate in writing workshops or groups where you can receive feedback on your writing and learn from others. 8. Set reading and writing goals. Reading goals. Set specific reading goals such as reading a certain number of books or articles each month. Writing goals. Set writing goals like writing a certain number of words per day or completing a specific writing project within a deadline. 9. Use online resources and tools. Reading apps. We use like Kindle or Audioable to access a wide range of reading materials. Writing platform. Join online writing communities like Wattpad or Medium to share your work and get feedback. Grammar checkers. Use tools like Grammarly to help you identify and correct grammar mistakes in your writing. 10. Get feedback. Peer review. Exchange writings with peers or join online forums where you can give and receive feedback. Hire a tutor. Consider working with a tutor who can provide personalized feedback and guidance on your reading and writing. 11. Be consistent and patient. Regular practice. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time each day or week for reading and writing practice. Stay patient. Improvement takes time, so be patient with yourself and celebrate small progress. By incorporating these strategies into your routine, you will gradually improve your reading, comprehension, and writing skills in English.